Afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon.
Very
One
good
second. Yeah, switch on my gallery view. Yeah, okay.
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Bhavani.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. So once again, more of what do you call Mr. India's. Chalo, koi baat nahi, okay. So as we have started with the series on this National Nutrition Week, especially. Okay, so we have done with 2 classes. Today is the third. So everything is related to diet and nutrition. Okay, so see, one thing is, if we lead a very sorted life, a disciplined life, discipline in terms of eating, discipline in terms of exercise, and of course, discipline in terms of managing our mind, because mind also plays a very important role. So it so happens, all of you know the gut-brain relation, right? कि थोड़ा सा अगर मन भी अच्छा रखेंगे तो food also gets digested very easily, and then you get all the nourishment from the food. So somewhere we have to think about the overall health. Okay, so overall health means their mind also comes, our thought also comes. Okay, so we will have, of course, this class is only regarding the diet and nutrition, but out of my experience, I shared this. So let's see what is the topic today for today's class. That is, yeah, that is nutrition for older adults. So during all stages of life, okay, so there are certain changes in the dietary pattern. So let's see first what are the objectives. So number one is staying hydrated. Second one is very, very important. The second objective, that is modifying the eating patterns. And third is equally important because we have to keep the calories in mind so that we avoid empty calories and we have to be physically active. Okay. So these are the 4 objectives. That is, our topic is nutrition for older adults. And in this topic, these are the main 4 objectives. So one by one, let's see. First, I will take the modification of eating patterns. Okay. One is key, you will be seeing this with men. Mostly this happens with men. Okay. So generally we find men, the quantity of food eaten by men is more compared to female. You agree with this? Okay. Okay, right from, because see, it's like because of the body build and because there is a difference between the physical structure. So the calorie intake is, the energy intake is more in men. तो अब क्या होता है ना, right from a very young age, we know that boys tend to eat more, then men tend to eat more. So what happens ultimately when the men reach that age, cross that age of 50, okay, now the body is not accepting much food. This happens with both men and women, but specifically I'm talking about men right now because there are certain mistakes which a woman does. Because in India, or let's say mostly in India, we don't find men cooking their own food. So it's always either mother or wife or, daughter, daughter-in-law. So especially the wife, she does a bit of mistake. So when you start aging, you can't eat more of food. Now this is a mindset कि okay, my husband is eating less. उसको और प्यार से खिलाना और प्यार से खिलाना. तो कैसे होता है ना, like more of food we are serving him. And this more of food, what happens, because the lifestyle is very sedentary. Okay, so there's not much of activity. Now in this process, what happens is the men, since the wife is so much concerned about her husband, like out of concern, okay, out of love, इतना ज्यादा लव 50 के बाद में आने लगता है कि आप नहीं खा रहे हो, नहीं खा रहे हो, और खाओ. Earlier you used to have, while going out, you used to have four samosas. Now you are just restricting to one. What is wrong with you? You can have one more, that's fine. Ab bichara, he's trying to say that, my, reports, cholesterol is high, weight is high, sugar is high. She says, okay, no problem. वैसे से कर करके. Now
Age
that's
lady having lot of time to concern about their husband, because till the time we are all busy with children.
No, that's true. That's true. What you're saying is absolutely true. But too much of concern will make him more, unhealthy, or you can say, some kind of health issue. So just giving an example, because I feel, this is my personal experience. I've seen a lot of people also. So here on Get Set Up, of course, we are taking care of our health because maximum of females join, less of men join, but in the nutrition hour especially. So it is our responsibility to take care of our health and also his health. So what happens after a certain age, let's say after post 50, I'm taking the exact number 50. Okay. So once anyone, male or female, crosses the age of 50, now let's be very, very particular about that, changing the eating pattern. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा, not much. I'm not saying that you give up this, give up that, ऐसा नहीं. लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा सा eating pattern में we can bring changes. Now, how do we bring that pattern में changes? Number one is we have this habit of eating a large quantity में. Okay, so that quantity, suppose if a person is used to having 4 chapatis, for example, four. अभी consciously एक 45 age cross करने के बाद में थोड़ा restricted, instead of 4, that person can, I'm not saying 1, but at least 3, एक चपाती कम कर सकते हैं. We can do that, right? Okay. So why we are doing this is because number one is, especially for the females, there are hormonal changes in the body due to menopause. Okay. Now, during the phase of menopause, right now, all of you might be, cross that phase. उस phase में शायद हमने अपना ध्यान नहीं रखा था. During the time of menopause, we might not have taken care of our diet and health. That's the reason why today at 60 or 65, I'm struggling with my weight, with my fat. Okay? Now that is past. We can't do anything. Okay? That is kuch nahi kar sakte, gone. Okay? But at least you can guide those people who are of that age, who are in their, late 40s. You can guide, or 40, 45 aise. So from that age, what happens? We start reducing the quantity of our food, little, 20%. Okay. Now let's say we have not done this. हमने किया नहीं. अभी 55, 60 हो गया है. ठीक है. Now we are struggling with weight or health problem. So अभी क्या करें? So अभी क्या करना है? If you see this slide, there I have mentioned there is something called as avoid empty calories. ठीक है. So modifying eating pattern. Now modifying eating pattern, chalo, in that only we will avoid the empty calories. Now what is this empty calories? Anyone has any idea? You can put it on the chat. What are empty calories? Have you heard about it? Yes, no. Why in chat में डाले empty calories?
Water.
No, no, not water. Empty calories means what happens?
No
Sugar.
value,
Huh?
which has no nutritional value.
Absolutely right. Who gave this answer?
Rovina.
Acha, Ravina ji, amazing, very good. So empty calories means it does not have any nutritional value, in the sense it is actually all those things which are very tasty. It is loaded with sugar. It is loaded with fat. So these things are very tasty. And these are called as empty calories because they will just add on to the calories, but there will be no nourishment provided to the body. You're getting this? बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें, like, tasty things. It can be a bakery product. It can be any sweet which is made out of sugar. It's not that कि नहीं खाना चाहिए. But if you're addicted to that, so your body is demanding that you are eating, but that is not providing you with any nourishment. So somewhere if we start avoiding, if we know actually, see हमको पता ही नहीं होता है, इसके लिए हम कर नहीं पाते ना. We have to have the knowledge. Knowledge नहीं रहेगा तो करेंगे कैसे? So empty calories, what happens, हम बहुत ज्यादा ये खाया. Yesterday also we discussed ना, बहुत कुछ थोड़ा 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 करके खाते रहते हैं, but we are not burning out those calories. So avoid having too much of empty calories. Second is थोड़ा सा modification in the dietary pattern. अब क्या modification करेंगे? Now I will tell you one way. Okay, in today's class. Now you as an individual, I mean, you know your body very well. ठीक है? Now Jyoti ji will know that what will suit me, what will not suit me. Ravina ji will know that if I have too much of gap between two meals, maybe I suffer from gastric problem. ठीक है? हर एक को अपना अपना body पता है. So I can guide you, I can tell you, but I'm saying that don't follow 100%. You can modify it as per your needs. ठीक है? अब इसमें modification क्या क्या करना है? Number one, I'll ask you one question, huh? Just you have to say yes or no. Do you know that our body is, our body contains 70 to 75% of water. Yes, no? Correct?
Yes.
Thumbs up,
Yes.
right? Okay. Now, the water, that is the liquid. So, water at least in a day. So, I suggest during this weather, say 2 to 2.5 or maximum 3 liters of water you need to drink. अब क्या होता है ना, हम लोग बहुत बिंदास आराम से रहते हैं, नहीं ले रहे वो रहे, ऐसे नहीं. Start actually measuring, counting what you are eating and drinking. ठीक है? तो एक छोटा सा टेक्निक आई एम टेलिंग यू, 3 bottles 1 liter का. एंड इफ पॉसिबल अगर वो क्ले पॉट वाला बॉटल है तो इट्स गुड, नहीं है तो 3 liters मेजर करके अगर मटके में रखते हैं, दैट्स गुड इफ पॉसिबल, अदरवाइज नो प्रॉब्लम. आप नॉर्मल स्टील वाले इसमें बर्तन में रख के आप पानी पी सकते हो. सो 3 liters ऑफ वाटर इन अ डे. सो पद्मश्री जी अभी से पी रहे हैं, चलो 3 liters मेरा नहीं हुआ करके. ओके, so number 1 step is drinking 2.5 to 3 liters of water in a day. Now the second point is, how am I going to drink this water? Because there are different, so ऐसे ही पीना है बोल के we can't drink. ठीक है, भवानी ने बोल दिया तो let's start drinking water, ऐसे नहीं. So there is a way to drink water. So that is yesterday or day before yesterday I told that morning when you get up, you drink hot water or warm water, 2 to 3 glasses. Okay. Then post your exercise or whatever you are doing, 1 to 2 glasses. Okay. Then before your breakfast, half an hour before your breakfast, 1 glass of water. Why half an hour before your breakfast, 1 glass of water? Because that will help in digestion. If you suffer from acidity, gastric problem, constipation, बहुत ज्यादा है ये तीनों में से कोई भी, तो ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, ये दोनों करने के आधे घंटे पहले have 1 glass of water, normal water, if possible warm water. वार्म वाटर लेंगे तो और ज्यादा पेट अच्छे से साफ होगा, आधे घंटे पहले. नाउ व्हेन यू आर ईटिंग योर फूड, मेनी पीपल हैव दिस हैबिट, खाना कम खाते हैं, पानी ज्यादा पीते हैं. ऐसा कोई है यहाँ पे? Is there anyone who will eat less and drink water while eating? There are few people I've seen कि एक पीस मुंह में रोटी गया, उसके पीछे पीछे आधा ग्लास पानी गया. because people say that गले से उतरता नहीं है. So don't do like that, because when you eat and then when you drink water, the food will never get digested. So eating means only eating food. ठीक है? And after eating food, after 45 minutes to 1 hour, you can drink water. But there's always a question that post food we take our medicines. What to do? Okay, for medicine, you can take a little bit of water, that's fine. So this is after your breakfast and lunch, 45 minutes ka gap, and then you drink water. Again in the afternoon, 1 or 2 glasses of water till 7:30, that is till before your dinner. You can drink water as much as you can. Once your dinner is over, the water intake should be either no or very less. ठीक है? This is step 1 for keeping your body hydrated. If you drink water properly, your system, see what happens, the food which we are consuming, that has to be transported to every cell of the body. देखो सबसे पहले क्या होता है, we eat food, food goes to the stomach, stomach में acid होते हैं, digest होना शुरू होता है. Properly if the food is digested, सारे जो nourishment है, nutrients है, that will be carried to all the cells of the body. अब वो कैसे कैरी करके जाएगा? अगर बॉडी में फ्लूइड सही मात्रा में है, so it will carry the nutrients to the cell. That's the reason why we should be drinking 2.5 to 3 liters of water in a day. Now, if you are a person who can't drink water much, see there are many different types of people, ठीक है? So एक formula सब पे नहीं लागू होता है. So the formula keeps changing from person to person. Right? So if Vandana ji says that I can't drink so much water in spite of trying, मेरे से 1 या 1.5 लीटर से ज्यादा एक दिन में पानी I can't drink. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So we can't force ourselves कि जबरदस्ती अभी पीना ही है करके. Suppose you belong to that category. So in that case, what you do is start drinking juice. ठीक है? Or you start taking more of fruits because fruits are juicy. Right? ठीक है? Salad, some people can't chew. ठीक है? Salad हम ज्यादा force नहीं करते. But at least juice, at least fruits, if you take this water content, थोड़ा सा आपका body में improve होगा. Right? So this was about staying hydrated. Second was the empty calories, where too much of sugar and too much of oil is there. We will avoid that. It's not that you don't take, but try to avoid. Why? We are avoiding क्योंकि हम खाएंगे, but वो burn कैसे करेंगे? You have to burn. See, I'll tell you this thing. अभी क्या होता है ना, it's been so many years I've been, since I'm a nutritionist, and nutrition का every A to Z I know. So कैसे होता है, एक consciously mind works. कि I've eaten this much, I'm eating this much, have I burnt करके. So एक बार this last to last Sunday, what happened, कि sometimes we go for walk in the sense, from my house to Siddhivinayak temple. Siddhivinayak temple is very famous in Mumbai. Or most of you might be knowing this. So the distance is 26 kilometers from my house. Okay. So we walked. Okay. So I was wearing my watch. I wanted to see कि कितना calories burn होता है, because ऐसे तो अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है. Watch, nowadays we have these smart watches and all ना. So when I saw, after reaching the temple, I didn't even enter the temple. गणपति के दर्शन करने के पहले मेरे को दिमाग में ये आया कितना मैंने कैलोरी बर्न किया. I just looked at my watch. So watch, it was flash हो रहा था some 1637, 1637 या 1800 के बीच में, some number was there, not more than 1800, उसके बीच में कुछ था. So I was thinking, इतना लंबा 20, imagine 26.5 kilometers after walking such a long distance, I have burnt only 16 or 1700 kilocalories. ठीक है? बाकी दिन जो 5 kilometers and जो 6 kilometers walk and run कर रहे हैं, कितना होगा उसमें? 6, 7, 800 calories. And what I'm eating, if I calculate that, So कितना difference आता है, correct? So somewhere consciously we have to start, not getting addicted to these empty calories. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं वो ज्यादा अपने को ही तकलीफ देगा ना, ठीक है? Okay, now what should be an ideal diet for seniors? Okay, again, the diet which I'll be sharing, not compulsory that it will suit everyone. You modify as per your needs. आपको जैसे उसको थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस करना है, आप कर देना, ठीक है? फिर अगर बहुत स्टिक किया, बाद में कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ तो मेरा घर ढूंढ के मत आना, ठीक है? So you modify as per your requirement. So number one is, remember, the sleep, the quality of sleep is very important. आप अच्छे से अगर सोते हो, सोना मतलब क्या है? सुबह के 11 बजे से शाम के 5 बजे तक नहीं. स्लीप मीन्स नाइट का 10:30 to 5 o'clock. If you get a proper sound sleep, the entire system will work efficiently. अब अगर आप see one thing, you analyze yourself, you don't have to reply to me. आप खुद के बारे में सोचो. So first step is, are you sleeping properly? Are you getting a good sleep? Because many seniors have this question, या फिर have this doubt that मेरे को तो नींद आती नहीं अच्छे से. Okay, I get up, I go to the loo, I can't sleep, then I take my phone. ऐसे कोई है यहाँ पे? Yes, no? Because continuous sound sleep, it has to be sound sleep. आपके पास में बॉम्ब भी फटा ना, आपको नहीं समझ में आना चाहिए. इतनी अच्छी गहरी नींद, in हिंदी we call it as गहरी नींद. So tell me, how many of you are night 10:30 to morning, let's say at least 4:30 तक, इतनी गहरी नींद किसको आती है? Thumbs up.
Me absolutely sleeplessness.
Who?
Sejal.
Okay, sleeplessness. Okay, so very
Total.
few. Okay, very few of you are saying that less sleep is not that good. ठीक है. So अभी शुरुआत हमको डाइट से पहले स्लीप में करना है. Because if you get good sound sleep, your organs which has to work at that particular time when you are sleeping, वो तभी efficiently काम करेगा. आप जगे रहोगे सोने के टाइम पे, वो कभी भी काम नहीं करेगा. For example, liver is the most important organ, and it will be working for us when we are sleeping. That is from 11 p.m. to 1:30 or 2 a.m. ये उसका टाइम है. ओके, सो हमको भी क्या करना है? स्लीप अपना चेंज करना है. हाउ टू चेंज द स्लीपिंग पैटर्न? तो धीरे धीरे, इट विल टेक लिटिल टाइम, बट होता है. सो मोर ऑफ गुड एक्सरसाइज इन द मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग, अ बिट ऑफ मेडिटेशन एंड प्राणायाम. अगर बिल्कुल नींद नहीं आती है तो बेड में लेटे लेटे प्राणायाम. प्राणायाम कौन सा? अनुलोम विलोम. व्हेन यू डू अनुलोम विलोम, lying down comfortably, you placing nose, अच्छे से अपने thumb रख के जहाँ हाथ दुखे नहीं आपका. So if you do this, you will get very good sleep. So first thing is changing, improving in the sleeping pattern, जिनको नींद नहीं आती है. Second way of improving sleep pattern is, do not use phone just before going to bed. Believe me, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं इस बात को, हाँ ठीक है, बट आप सच्ची सच्ची देखना, ये फोन में जो कंटेंट होते हैं ना, दिस गेट्स रजिस्टर्ड इन आवर माइंड. आप देखो छप जाता है, उसकी वजह से अननोइंगली वी डोंट गेट स्लीप. ठीक है, बहुत सारे, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च हैज बीन डन ऑन दिस एंड इट इज अ फैक्ट. सो थोड़ा आधे पौने घंटा पहले फोन को आप हटा दीजिए अपने पास से, then your sleep pattern will improve. Now, how should be my diet? So morning when I'm getting up, right? जब सुबह उठते हैं तो दिन की शुरुआत हमेशा it has to be with water only, right? We know the reason why. The second step is this particular dietary pattern which I'm sharing. Do this for 1 month. Okay, 21 days वो एक habit form करने के लिए, let's say 30 days, 1 month, see the difference. और इस 1 month के बीच में दिवाली भी आ जाएगा, नवरात्रि भी आ जाएगा, that's okay. स्टिल फ्यू थिंग्स, इसमें से ना कुछ कुछ पॉइंट्स ऐसे हैं वो आप कंटिन्यू रख सकते हो अपने खाने पीने के साथ में, ठीक है। सो आफ्टर हैविंग योर वाटर, आफ्टर गैप ऑफ 10 or 15 minutes, स्टार्ट हैविंग एलोवेरा जूस along with water. मतलब the aloe vera juice 2 teaspoon water. Why we are going to have this juice? Because this will help in improving the digestive, जो हमारा condition अभी थोड़ा weak है या अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, it will improve. So that is one thing. Aloe vera juice हमने लिया. The second option is, if every day you don't want to have aloe vera juice, you can take 3-4 days aloe vera juice, rest 2-3 days, you can go for wheat grass. Now wheat grass, the best way is wheat grass powder is available. बहुत इजी है, अच्छे क्वालिटी का wheat grass powder मिलता है. You can buy that powder and half glass of hot water में you mix it 1 teaspoon and you drink this. So you can do like this also. One day aloe vera juice, second day wheat grass, third day aloe vera, fourth day wheat grass. Like this, do it for 1 month. ठीक है. जितना भी पेट से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम इफ यू आर हैविंग, इवन दो इफ यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू योर स्टमक, ऐसा नहीं है कोई भी जिसको नहीं है प्रॉब्लम, बट सपोज किसी को नहीं है, बट स्टिल यू डू दिस. Why we need to do this? Because this is a kind of detox. बहुत अच्छा detox है पेट के लिए अर्ली मॉर्निंग. So this, and if you don't want to make juice, you find it very difficult to have juice, fine. So at least you start with this for a month, okay? After having this, give a gap of at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes gap. After 30 minutes, you can have a small quantity, not much, 3 to 4 almonds, 1 walnut, 3 to 4 raisins. That's it. Soak it previous night. If you forget, morning when you get up, okay, fine. You soak it and you have this. After having this soaked nuts, then you have your tea or coffee, whichever, if you feel like. Many people, they have left tea or coffee, but if you are still struggling, no problem, you have. But after eating this, so you have your cup of tea or coffee. Make sure that you're not drinking इतना बड़ा mug में लेकर के ऐसे tea coffee नहीं, थोड़ा सा. The South Indian tumbler, if you have seen the small tumbler, छोटा सा, okay, take tea or coffee. Then after having tea or coffee, let's say after 1 hour, 1 to 1.5 hours, 1 fruit, बस एक. It can be 1 banana, 1 small apple, ऐसे आप कुछ लो. Suppose you don't feel like eating, no problem, जबरदस्ती fruit आप मत लेना, that's okay. क्योंकि सुबह, now you will be starting with that aloe vera juice, then wheat grass, and then dry fruit, then coffee or tea. So maybe you will not feel like having anything. So no problem. If you feel like you have fruit, otherwise, ठीक है, आप मत लेना. Then you have your breakfast. Breakfast should get over by 9 o'clock. The right time is between 8:30 and 9. और ये तभी हो सकता है when you are getting up early in the morning. अब उठोगे ही 7, 7:30 बजे तो ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं खाना होगा कि everything will get delayed. Okay, so there is a time to eat your meals. So by 9, finish your breakfast. And breakfast आप याद रखना, बहुत थोड़ा थोड़ा खाना. The concept of king like breakfast, ये concept ही है ना, गलत नहीं है, इसको हमने गलत तरीके से लिया है. You remember रवीना जी, ज्योति जी, वंदना जी, you all are very senior, मतलब senior students, बहुत सालों से आप ये क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो. Several times I have told you, if you look at a comic character, when you see there's a king, राजा nicely ऐसे tilt होके अपने राजगद्दी में बैठा है. He has got 3 or 4 ranis around him. One rani is giving dry fruit, the other one is giving grapes, the third one is giving something else. Have you ever seen any rani giving him chola bhatura or samosa or something? King like breakfast का मतलब ये सारी चीजें expensive होती है. fruits and dry fruits are very expensive. King like breakfast. So doesn't mean ki king like breakfast मतलब भर के सुबह, as if I'm not going to get the next meal. People eat breakfast like that only, honestly. कि अगला तो मैं भूखमरी में मरने वाली, मेरे को खाना ही नहीं मिलेगा, सुबह उठ के खाओ खाओ खाओ. एंड पीपल ऑल्सो आसपास के बोलते हैं खाओ ब्रेकफास्ट तो भर के खाना चाहिए, भर के खाना चाहिए. अरे भर के तब खाए ना जब हमने रात को कुछ इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग किया होता, या रात को एक फास्ट कुछ खाए बगैर फ्रूट खा के सोए रहते, तो सुबह वी कैन. बट वी आर ईटिंग प्रॉपर फूड एंटायर डे, राइट? सो रिमेंबर, we are again coming back to the quantity of food which we are consuming. So yesterday Jyoti ji said, it's not like earlier days. Now we are not able to eat much. That's a very natural thing. Some people have this. Like my mother also, she always grumbles. Earlier I used to eat so much and I used to digest everything. Abhi mere se nahi ho raha. Now see, that's a very natural thing. Kyun nahi ho raha? Because more time pe, my mother, she used to work so hard. She will not even go take an auto. कि ऑटो में 3 किलोमीटर के लिए क्या ऑटो लेना, वेस्ट क्यों करना पैसा, आई विल वॉक. टुडे आवर माइंडसेट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. ओके, सो बर्न नहीं हो रहा है कैलोरी, सो भूख नहीं लगती है. सो इफ स्टिल यू आर फीलिंग हंग्री, then consciously reduce the quantity of your breakfast. So if you are used to having one medium bowl of upma, make it half. If you are taking one big bowl of poha, जो भी है, जितना quantity आप currently लेते आ रहे हैं, you make it half. That will be the breakfast. ठीक है? Now our mid morning around 11:30, start having this herbal tea. Why herbal tea? Because this herbal tea will help to melt the fat. ज्यादा करके ये पेट में चर्बी होती है, पेट में this love handles backside and thighs, right? So where more of fat gets accumulated, especially for the females. So we will have one good nice herbal tea, and अभी तो वैसे भी 2 महीने में winter आ जाएगा. You can continue for 3, 4, 5 months. So in this herbal tea, what all things we are going to add? So let's say 1 cup for 1 person. In that we need to add 1 bay leaf, that is tej patta. Quantity is 1 tej patta, 2 black pepper, okay, 2 black pepper, then half teaspoon jeera, cumin seeds, half teaspoon dhania, coriander seeds, okay, coriander seeds, and small, little pudina patta. That's it. Okay, boil it thoroughly. So if you're taking 1 glass, this water should come to 3/4 glass. Boil it thoroughly. Strain it.
Ma'am, could you repeat it a little?
One is 1 tej patta, 2 black pepper, half teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon dhania, gota wala, coriander seeds,
Correct.
and then pudina patta.
Pudina.
Okay, boil it 3/4 जब पानी हो जाएगा, strain it. If you want little sweetness, you can add jaggery. फिर गर्मी ज्यादा लगती है, jaggery से heat होता है, तो you can add mishri. If you don't add anything, that will also be sweet, but don't add honey, because this we are going to drink very hot. You will not make it, and honey, कोई भी hot चीज में honey नहीं डालना चाहिए. Okay, so drink as it is, एकदम गरम गरम. You drink this around 11, 11:30, 10:30, whatever time suits you. So this is a very good, we can call it as a fat cutter drink. Okay,
there is pocket herbal teas are available.
Yeah. So what I suggest is, instead of going for those, teas, we can just make this small, the easy one. You can even put it in your flask, so that you can have this 2 to 3 times a day if you want. But 1 time is compulsory. So once it is going to just boil, and then you will strain and keep it in your flask. You can have it in the evening also. This is a better thing rather than going for the herbal tea, market wala herbal tea, or this, what is it called? वो क्या tea रहता है?
Tea.
That is some, अचानक से I'm not getting.
Green tea.
Green tea. Yeah, green tea. Yeah. So instead of going for that, you have this, सब कुछ natural we can get, na. So this you have. Then lunch. Remember, lunch should get over by 1 o'clock. The ideal time is 9:30 at 12:30 to 1 के बीच में. That's the reason have little break. See, anyways, the quantity of the food has to be reduced. ठीक है. So lunch में थोड़ा सा हमने खाया सैलेड के साथ में, जो भी आप लंच लेते हैं. And if you are non-vegetarian eater, so make sure that too much of, you're not going in too much of chicken. ठीक है, आप कभी फिश ले रहे हो, that's a different thing. But थोड़ा सा अगर possible है, तो this 1 month go for a vegetarian diet. At least मतलब ठीक है, non-veg थोड़ा कम कर दीजिए, maybe once a week इस तरह से. Okay, so this lunch हो गया. lunch के बाद में in the afternoon time again have like post lunch to
Excuse me,
45
ma'am.
minutes. Huh?
What is the lunch time? I couldn't hear.
12:30
lunchtime?
to 1, between 12:30 and 1. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Then after 45 minutes, drink little warm water so that the digestion becomes easier. After 45 minutes, warm water or slightly little hot water you drink, and then थोड़ा गैप दे करके 15-20 मिनट के बाद में drink a glass of buttermilk. Then afternoon थोड़ा सा rest हो गया. You can have coffee or tea, whatever you feel like in the evening, say around 4:30, 5 o'clock. And after having your coffee or tea, थोड़े time के बाद में, now those who don't want to consume fruits in the morning, then evening once you can have fruits, but make sure that compulsorily you eat fruits every day. So it can be at least कोई एक fruit रोज compulsory लेना ही चाहिए. Salad at least 2 to 3 times a day, a week. आपका 2 या 3 दिन हफ्ते में मतलब आप कब ले सकते हो salad. And sprouts if possible. Sprouts I will not force, थोड़ा खाने में भी दिक्कत होती है. So maybe sprouts आप weekly once ले सकते हो. So sprout हो गया. So these things till evening. Then evening में थोड़ा सा और exercise like walking or whatever pranayam you want to do. And dinner में, since we are not into too much of physical activity, so dinner, if you have a good quality of soup which is very thick, that will help. Suppose soup बहुत बोर लगता है, ठीक है, no problem. But the dalia kind of thing where we are adding a lot of vegetables and उसमें fat नहीं रहेगा, तेल कुछ नहीं रहेगा, just दलिया उबाला, vegetables डाला, थोड़ा घी and little spices. So that will be very low fat thing that you can have by 7:30 max. And then go to bed. And before going to bed, क्योंकि अब देखो, before going to bed, if I say, पुदीना का पानी if you boil and drink, तो maybe you will not get sleep at night, क्योंकि बार बार फिर वॉशरूम जाना पड़ेगा, वो भी हो सकता है ना. So if possible, around 8:30, small cup, छोटा सा एक कप, इतना सा चाय कप जो होता है ना, उसमें बॉइल्ड पुदीने का वाटर, अच्छे से बॉईल किया हुआ, स्ट्रेन किया हुआ, जस्ट पुदीना, नथिंग एल्स, you drink. Why this पुदीना का water? Because रात में अगर 8-8:30 बजे ये पी के सोते हैं, so this will help to remove toxins from the body. So night में we are preparing our body so that morning it will throw out the toxins. Then morning when we are getting up, so we are having aloe vera juice or we are having the, ये अभी जो मैंने आपको बताया था, ये जो आप morning routine कर रहे हो, so these two are going to help to detox the system. So these two compulsorily we have to do. Okay, so this is a dietary, plan which you can follow and modify this as per your needs. Okay, so this is step 2. Step 1 was hydration. Step 2 was modification in the diet plan. A third step, this is sleep tha. Step 1 was sleep, then hydration, then modification of diet. Now the fourth step is staying active. ठीक है, तो ये मैंने कितने बार गेट सेटअप पे बोला है. वंदना जी, ज्योति जी, रवीना जी, ओफरा जी, इनको तो पक्का मालूम रहेगा. what we have to do every hour? बताओ, हर घंटे हमें क्या करना है? What is, as per the World Health Organization, what they suggest?
अलार्म अलार्म
Get up
रखना
get
है
up and
और
walk around.
फोर्सबली उठना है.
Walk
Yes.
around.
You have to
Roam around. Let's not say forcibly उठना है. Move around. Yes, absolutely right, Pratibha ji. Walk. Okay. ठीक है, मंजू जी. Right. So this is consciously अभी ये अपने को याद दिलाना है. So what happens if we are sitting for a long time in one place? So that World Health Organization says it is as good as smoking. एक चेन स्मोकर होता है ना, या बहुत ज्यादा जो स्मोक करते हैं, तो वी नो उसकी हेल्थ कंडीशन क्या होगी. सो वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन in 2017 or 18, I don't remember, they came up with this definition that sitting is a new smoking. ऐसा एक कुछ tagline दिया था, because nowadays people are sitting more, है ना? So let's get up every hour. Let's get up and then walk 10 steps forward, 10 steps backward. आपके घर में जितना स्पेस है बस इतना ही. It has to be just for 1 or 2 minutes. आगे गए, पीछे आए, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच किया अपने आप को, 1 मिनट ही करना है या 2 मिनट, और वापस बैठ जाना है. How many of you are ready to do this? तैयार हो? So अभी बैठे हुए 50 minutes हो गया है अपने को. I can't get up. You can get up. Let me see
I
how
got
many
up.
of you are getting up. Let me see जिनके videos on. अब मिस्टर इंडिया को तो मैं नहीं चेक कर सकती हूँ. शशि जी is already on move. ठीक है, very good. स्पंदना जी is also going good. लक्ष्मी जी भी उठ गए. Very nice. अमान जी is also stood up. Great. Very good. Lakshmi ji, very good. Spandana ji is very fun. See, this is what, this will keep your body active as well as your mind will be active. अभी आप देखो, वंदना जी अब एक्सरसाइज हाथ पैर सब कर रहे हैं. 1 मिनट सिर्फ करना है.
Hi,
That-
Bhavani ma'am.
Oh, Anahita ji is also there. Great.
Yeah,
Okay.
I tried to log in. I'm here at Malhar Machi
I-
Resort.
Okay, great, great. Okay. So Anahita ji will be walking more now since she's in resort. Okay, good. So
But it's
this
a very
is how,
mountainous place, up and down.
yeah, good. So this is how you can keep your body and mind as well active. तो ये छोटा छोटा, that's what I'm saying. Health is not, spending lot of money or, spending lot of time. Small activities. थोड़ा stretch भी करोगे ना. See, if you have observed on the road, the dogs are there, na, street dogs.
yeah.
Might have observed. So they will stretch, इतना खींचते हैं अपने आप को, बीच में आप देखोगे इतना खींचते हैं. क्यों खींचते हैं? And generally भी आलस को दूर करने के लिए we also खींचाफy our body, ऐसे खींचते हैं ना.
तू समझ आया
So
नु
do
lecture में.
this, do this
नु lecture भी
every
समझ
day,
आया.
and remember ये practice हो जाएगा once you start keeping an alarm in your phone. चलो 1 घंटा नहीं, every 2 hours तो you can do. ठीक है, 2 hours से धीरे धीरे 1 hour करेंगे. This will improve your digestion process. This will improve your जो हमारी जो एक बॉडी में लेजीनेस आता है ना, वो एकदम ठीक होके एक चुस्त, एक फिटनेस आएगा, राइट? एंड यू विल फील फार बेटर. बेटर कैसे? क्योंकि बैठे बैठे क्या होता है, पेट बहुत भारी लगने लगता है, करेक्ट? थोड़ा आप चलेंगे, हिलेंगे, डुलेंगे तो हल्का लगेगा. माइंड ऑल्सो बिकम्स वेरी हल्का. नहीं तो सब भारी है, इधर दिमाग भी भारी है, पेट भी भारी है, सब भारी भारी हम लोग लेके घूम रहे हैं. सो लेट्स मेक इट लिटिल हल्का. सो दीज आर फ्यू इजी वेज. सो ये आज का जो मेन की पॉइंट्स है ना, these 4-5 things. One is sleep, second is having water, staying hydrated, third is modifying your dietary pattern, fourth is being active, and one is physical activity, second is mental activity. So physical, क्योंकि see gut brain connection is there. आप जितना भी अच्छा खा लो, if you are eating such a wonderful diet in a disciplined way, but I'm telling you there are chances that you will fall sick. ऐसा भी होता है, जरूरी नहीं है. कि बहुत अच्छा खाया, बहुत डिसिप्लिन खाया तो मैं बहुत तंदुरुस्त हूँ, there are chances that we might fall sick. And why that sickness? Because my mind is not very active. My mind is not very happy. So again the gut brain connection. तो body के साथ साथ, body के diet के साथ साथ, give some diet to your mind also. So when we are eating the almonds, almonds is good for brain, not mind के लिए वो diet नहीं है, it is good for brain. But for your mind, happiness is the diet. वो हैप्पीनेस कैसे आएगा? वॉट एवर फूड इज कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, हम लोग आते ना, इफ द कुक इज प्रिपेयरिंग फूड, ये कल भी तो यही बनाया था, आज फिर से यही. एंड व्हेन आई एम मेकिंग द फूड सो डिफिकल्ट, आई नो इट टेक्स टाइम. तो घर वालों को समझाते, देखो कितनी गर्मी है, कितना टाइम लगता है किचन में. सो हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट दैट एवरी डे वन न्यू डिश विल कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू? Correct. So whenever you are eating any food, eat with full happiness. Full happiness, ठीक है? So your health will be 100 years तक ना health बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. वो blue zone का तो आप लोगों को पता ही होगा. You all must be knowing about that. There is something called as a blue zone. How many of you know?
Yeah.
सुना होगा बहुत लोगों ने. I think many of you might have heard this. So there was a question asked in one. I mean, this is a very common thing when I was a student. So the the professor asked that, how many of you know about the blue zone? So we did not have any clue about the blue zone. क्या है blue zone? So blue zone, अभी भी आप Google में search करोगे, you will get it. So blue zone is, the markings will be there. There are several countries that come under the blue zone, and where, so our professor used to teach us very nicely, huh? So he said, in blue zone, every person is Sachin Tendulkar. अभी क्या connection है? Every person is Sachin Tendulkar का क्या मतलब है? So he meant that every person crosses 100. 100 साल तक पक्का जिंदा ही रहते हैं. तो तेंदुलकर 100 करता है ना, so that there is a 50% Sachin Tendulkar. So we were thinking कैसे Sachin Tendulkar? So then we went deep into that topic about the blue zone. So there are certain countries which come under the blue zone. Here the people, all the people, the entire population is vegetarian. Okay, and you will find maximum foreign countries are there. Okay, so सारे vegetarians हैं, and they lead a very disciplined life, and their eating habits are totally vegetarian. And it's a research, the record has, it's been proved that maximum of them cross 100 years, no health issues. This you will get the entire thing on Google. You just put blue zone करके आप डालना Google में या YouTube में, the entire information you will get. That's a very beautiful information. So we also at Get Set Up, we can come in the blue zone. Correct?
We can.
Get Set Up. अभी ये मत बोलना क्या करे 100 साल जी करके, ऐसा नहीं है. You have, हाँ?
Already damaged us.
Same
Ravina
thought
ji-
crossed my mind. Same thought
Ravina ji,
crossed
what
my
you're
mind.
saying?
Blue
100
zone.
years.
I said Get Set Up background also is blue only.
Acha, right, correct. No, what I'm saying is, but Jyoti ji is saying already damaged. That's okay. See, yesterday also I said, cars, vintage car rally, it was very famous in Calcutta when I was there. I don't know about other places. ठीक है, सारी गाड़ियां निकलती है, they are very beautiful. Okay, so remember, it's not the damage. We are still beautiful. We are still beautiful. It's that we are comparing ourselves with what we were 20 years back, which will not happen. Am I right? 20 साल पहले अगर आप बॉम्बे के रहने वाले फनाहिता जी was running from Malad and catching a train on the Western line, ठीक है, that 20 years back, and if she expects that today also I will run at the same pace and I will catch the train, that is wrong, because we should not do that. So every stage, अपने life का हर एक stage जो आता है ना, we should enjoy that. Instead of grumbling कि अब देखो छोटा बच्चा, when the infant 0 to 1 years, let's say 0 to 6 months, The infant can't do anything, but he's very happy. हाथ पैर मार मार के बेड पे लेट के खाली वो मस्ती कर रहा है. He's happy. Correct. Then slowly he turns, then slowly he sits, slowly he stands, then he walks. Then after he starts walking, he will start running. Now that running, then playing, then growing, then going to school, then college. So the entire, if you see our graph, right from our childhood. So every stage, of course, there are challenges. I'm not saying that life is like a Bollywood movie where everything is beautiful. There are challenges. That's okay. देखो अगर challenge नहीं आएगा तो मजा भी नहीं आता है. If I
Not
don't
like
get
that,
sick,
Bhavani.
huh?
However, not like that. However, we tried in this age to the core that damage, because of the damage, we are not able to achieve our goals.
No, don't keep your goals very simple, nah. Don't make big goals. Very simple. That's okay. Yeah.
Good health, good health.
Now also you are in good health only. Why you think that you are not in good health? You are in good health. You are sitting here wearing such a nice sari every day you wear. We all can see you, right? You are at good health only. All of us are in good health only. There's no problem with our health. Let's see, one thing I'll tell you very honestly, unless you fall sick.
And Jyoti ji attends all classes.
All classes, yeah. No,
Yeah, she
unless-
attends most of them.
Right. And unless you fall sick, you will not be able to understand the value of good health. देखो
Ma'am, she
तबीयत
is in
खराब
good
होगी
health
ना, तभी
because,
हाँ?
ma'am, she is in good health because she is seeing this, attending this program. Mentally, she is fit. Everything is
And
fit.
she's always smiling. That's a big asset, huh?
Regular.
It's a big asset. So that's good. So remember, थोड़ा बहुत अगर बीमार होते भी है ना, खुश रहो. तभी जब ठीक हो जाएंगे ना, तो वो वैल्यू पता चलेगा वो अपने हेल्थ का. So that's okay. ठीक है? So this is how we can, again, I would love to see all the Get Set Up Nutrition Up participants to come on that blue zone. Since Ravina ji said the background is also blue, we are already in the blue zone. Okay, that's great, good. So this is how, let's modify the diet plan as per your needs. ठीक है, आप उसको कर लेना. And this was a quick revision of yesterday's class. Please start with all these things. So all the vitamins that is required for our body, these things. So from all this, these are the sources. You can take a picture of this thing, what I'm showing, and start having all these food. Start including if you have not yet included in your diet. Okay, so thoda, slowly you can start taking. Now this is again all the vitamins. This is another.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am,
हाँ.
if lemongrass हो ना, lemongrass,
हाँ.
वो green color का होता
Yeah,
है.
yeah.
How we can take that?
Okay, I'm coming to that. Huh? I'll come. Just let me finish with this slide. I'll give answer to your question. So today,
Ma'am, can you please tell me the bay leaf drink?
yeah, just
How
give
to
me,
make it?
yeah. So let me finish with this slide, then I'll come back. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So yeah. So this is the summary for today's class. We understood how to stay hydrated, how we can modify our eating patterns, and remember to avoid empty calories and always be physically active. This activeness does not mean कि morning मैंने 1 घंटा walk किया, evening आधा घंटा walk किया, सारे दिन फिर बैठे हुए. वो मजाल है politician की तरह अपना chair ही नहीं छोड़ा. ठीक है, the grandchild is saying Dadi is not allowing me to watch TV. Dada is not allowing me to, giving the desktop or laptop, जो भी ऐसे नहीं. So be active all the time, right? ठीक है. So 1 second. Okay. So now I'm coming back to the questions which you have asked. One is about the bay leaf drink. Just now someone asked. So for that you need 1 bay leaf. Someone has put it on the chat also, I think. Whatever I mentioned, na abhi maine dekha. You see someone, Ofra ji has put. So 1 bay leaf. 2 black pepper is enough for 1 person. If you are making more quantity, you can add more. Coriander seeds, cumin seeds, half teaspoon, and little pudina leaves. You have to boil this and strain and drink. This was one. And about the lemongrass, someone asked question. So lemongrass tea.
What is the leaf beside green? Coriander? Coriander?
And cumin seeds. Cumin.
Can leaf? What is the leaf?
Pudina, Pudina,
Tulasi and Pudina.
Pudina.
Ma'am, can we drink this tea on empty stomach?
Yeah,
Herbal
yeah,
tea?
you can drink on empty stomach. Yes, yes, you can. You can.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now-
I used to soak coriander and cumin seeds and drink in the morning.
Good, good. That is also good. Someone asked this question on lemongrass now. Who was that?
Yeah.
Okay. So lemongrass, this you can make a good lemongrass tea. For lemongrass tea, that is without milk, huh? So again, in water, add few lemongrass and ginger. Here we will add ginger, and you can add a very small less than half teaspoon ka jeera, very little cumin seeds, and boil it. Here you can add little jaggery to make it sweeter and drink this tea. But this won't be a detox tea. This is कि चलो taste अच्छा लग रहा है, थोड़ा nourishment मिलेगा, but what I said was that is absolutely detox tea, right?
Lemongrass powder is there, Sakawat.
No,
Lemongrass.
lemongrass itself we will take.
Yeah, usually we use for the tea, black tea, we use the lemongrass.
Yeah, yeah, it's good. So we have this
Lemongrass and Pudina.
Lemongrass
For tea
and
with
butterfly
milk, we
flower.
use lemongrass and Pudina.
Okay.
You're telling about
Sharad
wheat
ji is
grass.
asking some question, then we'll wind up. Oh yeah, Sharad ji, please continue.
Ma'am, there are two questions. One is, can you please repeat about the wheat grass and aloe vera? In what quantity?
So the repeating will be okay because it's already 3 o'clock. So quickly I'll repeat half. If you are taking 2 spoons of this juice and 2 spoons of water, and half or 1 teaspoon with hot water. So this is the quick revision. Any other
Okay.
question? Then I will.
Ma'am, what's the empty calorie?
No, that I have, I mean, explained to completely. So I will not be able to explain it again. It's already 3. Okay. So we will have to now wind up. So tomorrow we will meet again with the last topic of this week. That is the nutrition week. Okay. So thank you all for attending. See you tomorrow again, same time. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Bye.
you all.
very much.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, all.